The Hopi tribe was a tribe that lived in the northwestern region, what we now know as the Arizona region. The word Hopi means peaceful person or civilized person. The Hopis were expert farming people. They planted crops of corn, beans, and squash, as well as cotton, tobacco, and they raised turkeys for their meat. Also, the men were known for hunting deer, antelope, and small game, while the women gathered nuts, fruits, and herbs. The favorite of the Hopi people was to eat meals like hominy, baked beans, soups, and even different types of cornbread. Originally, Hopi men didn't wear much clothing. They only wore breechcloths or a short kilt. Hopi women wore knee-length cotton dresses called manta. A manta went all the way from their shoulder to their knees. Men and women both wore deerskin moccasins on their feet. For dances and special occasions, women would paint their moccasins white and wrap white strips of deerskin around their shins and leggings. The Hopis did not traditionally wear feather war bonnets. Instead, they wore cloth headbands tied around their foreheads. And most women would wear elaborate butterfly whorls, while married women wore theirs into two long pigtails. As well, they wore jewelry, traditionally necklaces made of strands of polished beads. And once the silver came into place, they were known for their silver working techniques that the Spanish people taught them. They began to wear silver earrings, bracelets, and rings. Hopi people lived in adobe houses, which are like multi-story houses made of adobe or clay and straw baked into hard bricks and stone. Each adobe unit was a home to one family, like a modern-day apartment. Hopi people used ladders to reach the upstairs apartments. A Hopi adobe house can contain dozens of units and was often home to an entire extended clan. The Hopi people were indeed a civilized group of people. They actually had their own form of government and even their own type of police. They were very resourceful. They used their resources around them to provide them with their homes, their land, their food, and their clothing. As well, they used these things to give them protection, and they were known for staying in the same place for long periods of time because they could use the resources around them.